Now that you know the basics of how Canva works, let's take a look at creating some artwork. Let's say that we heard a very cool quote the other day, and we would like to make a graphic for this to put on our Facebook page. I'm going to use a quote attributed to Albert Einstein that says, "The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge but imagination." On the main dashboard page, I'm going to select Facebook Post, since that will give me the exact dimensions I need to fill my Facebook newsfeed. Next, I'm going to scroll through the pre-made layouts to find a quote type layout that I find pleasing. I can just click once and it will automatically be added into our page. The first thing we want to do, of course, is change out the text. So highlight all of the text and put in the new quote. Because I want to leave the name text holder where it is and our quote is a little smaller than the pre-made layout, I will need to move the text box down or make the text bigger. I'll just move the text down, which will create a nice white space border around the image, and it'll help focus the viewer on the words. Next, highlight the name and change it out to Albert Einstein. As you can see, I already have a beautiful image that took less than a minute to create. Since it already looks great, I can go ahead and post this as is. But since I want to make this design truly mine, I'm going to add an image of a photo I took myself. First, I want to delete out the image they have, so select the image and then hit the delete button in options. Now, I will click on Uploads and then upload the image that I want to the library. I can edit and move around the image until it looks the way I want. One thing that I can do to really make this text stand out better, and something you may have noticed in the other photo, is to apply a blur filter. This is a cool graphic design trick for these types of posts because it allows you to keep the beauty of the image but refocus the viewer's attention back to the text. So, select Filter, then go into Advanced Options, and then raise the blur amount. As you do this, you can immediately see the effect it has on the eyes. And just like that, I have made an amazing graphic that I can save or share on my Facebook page. Now you can see how helpful this can be to anyone who doesn't have graphic design experience. And with all the pre-made options Canva gives you, you can create wonderful content easily and quickly so that you can move on to doing the things that you love to do.